Doodle dance. Couldn't really talk while I was doing that. It's just like, got to do it pretty quickly. So, adding some sturdy blocks so that you can't bend this way. This block behind here, so it won't be able to bend this way. Yeah, just generally giving it more strength there. Over there a little bit more. We moved today, picked up both anchors. That was the first time we had put 2 anchors out. It definitely helped, but we were dragging that way into the river. I mean, not really dragging, but the chain was pulling us that way. So we pulled up anchor, the windlass reattached. It was flexing some, so giving that some more strength. And then Kelly has been working on sanding the top. We're gonna paint this soon so we can put the rails back on. That's pretty exciting. And then she was working on oiling the teak there.